from Lambrettas to Lamborghinis, from stock cars to Sunbeams, and from steam engines to static caravans. It's all here in our beloved Hinckley Town Centre. A massive thank you to the team at Hinckley Beards, wherever they are, for all of the hard work, particularly with the last minute change of date. So, what we're doing today, really proud to announce our first ever Jaspers of Hinckley prize draw, where every hour, on the hour, we're giving away vouchers of up to 200 quid. Yeah, 200 quid. So, come and get your name in our box. It's free to enter. All we need is your name and phone number. When we get your phone number, we'll give you a call if you're the lucky winner, and you've got 30 minutes to get back here to claim your prize. If not, we pick somebody else. Simple as that. Okay, so our first winner is Mr. or Mrs. C. Locking. So Mr. or Mrs. C. Locking. Local postcode, we're going to be ringing you in the next couple of minutes to come and claim your prize. It's up to 200 quid of Jaspers vouchers to spend in store anytime you want. So that's 200 quid in Jaspers vouchers. Mrs. C. Locking. So our first lucky winner of the day is stood right next to me now. Can we give her a big round of applause? Thank you. Oh, thank you. This lucky lady's going to pick one of these sparkly envelopes here, and all being well, there'll be a 200 quid voucher in there. Worst case scenario, it's a tenner.
I love the middle.
All right then, she's gone for the middle. Drum roll. Oh, it's 10 quid. Oh, I'm sorry. That does mean that you can go mad. Yeah, you can spend a bit more than 10 quid if you want to, it's not a problem. But it does mean that there's still a 200 quid voucher to win, there's a 100 quid voucher, there's a £50 voucher, and there's a £20 voucher. So anybody wanting to enter our competition, it's completely free today. Come and see our guys here, we'll put you in the box, and we'll do the next draw at 12 o'clock. Everybody to the Jaspers second ever prize draw. This is the lucky winner can win vouchers of up to £200 to spend in store today. It's free to enter, and on the hour, every hour, we're going to be drawing from our sparkly box. Woo! Okay, calm down. So here we go with the 12 o'clock draw. Okay, so our lucky winner is Mervyn Jones. So Mervyn Jones will be calling you in the next couple of minutes to come along. You've got 30 minutes to get yourself down here and pick out a sparkly envelope.
No.
Hello, your call cannot be taken at the moment, so please leave your message after the tone.
Hi, my name's Kieran. I'm calling you from Jaspers. I just wanted to inform you that you've won our prize draw, and you can pick out an envelope to win up to £200. Thank you and congratulations.
So the time is 1 o'clock, and it's now time for our next prize draw today here at Jaspers. So if you're in the box, you've got a chance to win vouchers of up to £200. If you're not in the box, you can't win. But the good news is, we've got draws on every hour, all day. So here we go with our next prize draw. So just picked at random. Our lucky winner of the 1 o'clock draw is Mr. V. Sinar. That's Mr. V. Sinar. So one of our team will be calling you in the next 5 minutes. You've now got 30 minutes to get back here to claim your prize. As I say, it can be up to £200 in Jaspers vouchers. I've just been told that our last winner didn't actually arrive. So this is a double draw. So next lucky winner, there's going to be a race between Mr. Sinar and Frankie Hodgson.
Moment of truth.
Hello,
Hi, is that Mr. Sinar?
speaking.
Hi, it's Kieran from Jaspers. I just wanted to inform you that you've won our live draw.
Oh, okay, that's lovely, thank you.
So you're in for a guaranteed prize of either 20, 50, 100 or £200 jackpot to spend in store.
Okay.
In order to claim your prize, you'll need to get to us within the next 30 minutes to pick
30
up.
minutes, I've got to come back and collect the big prize. All right,
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Yeah, within the next 30 minutes, and then what they'll do is we'll present you with 4 envelopes, and you can pick from them, basically, and that's your prize, yeah?
Oh, that's lovely, okay. Thank you very much.
Well,
Thank
congratulations, and we'll see you soon.
you. Yes, all right, lovely. Thanks for letting me know. We'll be up there shortly.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye now, bye-bye.
Okay, the lucky winner of our 1 o'clock draw today is Frankie Hodgson. So she gets to choose one of these 4 sparkly envelopes. She can win up to 200 quid, yes, 200 quid in Jaspers vouchers. So here we go. Drum roll, please. Thank you. And there's still 200 quid to win. Come on.
Something on the lottery.
Oh, it's 20 quid. Oh, it's 20 quid. It's 20 quid. It's 20 quid. That's absolutely fine. So, free to spend in the store. Off you go. Thank you very much, Frankie. So, today's lucky winner of our next prize draw is Mr. Sinar, and he's come along with his granddaughter Katie to pick one of the 3 lucky envelopes to the left. Now, we know there's definitely a £50 voucher, definitely a £100 voucher, and definitely a £200 jackpot voucher in here. So, you're going to draw? Is that for you, Katie? So let's have a look. Which one you want? Oh, about that way. That one, take it. Sure? There you go. You take it. So drum roll, please. It's £100. Well done, Katie. There you go. You can go and spend that in store. Treat your grandma and granddad. Mr. Signer, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. There you go. Easy as that. Eh? There's one last entry at 3 o'clock today for up to £200 worth of Jaspers vouchers. So we're guaranteed a £50 winner. We're guaranteed a £200 voucher winner. We're going to draw from the box right now, live on Facebook. I'm just going to put that in on the back of your car, is that alright? Yeah. Okay, the lucky winner of the next voucher is Alison Rames Cole. Alison Rames Cole. Okay, so we'll be. Thank you. You're easily pleased. Your name, Alison. So, Alison, we're going to be calling you in the next couple of minutes. You've got 30 minutes to get down here and collect your prize. If you're not here in 30 minutes, it rolls over. So we do a double draw at 3 o'clock. So if any of you would like to enter, it's completely free. You just need to come and see one of the team here at the Tuk Tuk, and we'll get your name in the box. Thank you. So, 2 vouchers left to win. One of them's £50, one of them is a jackpot of £200. Yes, 200 quid. So, we're going to do the prize draw. It's 3 o'clock now. Whoever we pull out has got 30 minutes to get back to us. Okay, we're going to call you, we're going to email you, we're going to do everything we can to get to you, and then you've got 30 minutes to get back to us. If you haven't gotten back to us by 3:30, we do another draw. Okay, so here we go with our first draw. So, the first lucky winner, and it's the first person that gets here gets the choice. So we know that there's definitely a £50 voucher, and there's definitely a £200 voucher. Okay, so you've got a choice, Mr. Paul Bookin. So Mr. Paul Bookin, we will be calling you in the next couple of minutes. You've got 30 minutes to get yourself down here. Next, Tyler Brown. So Tyler Brown, come on down, Tyler Brown. You've got 30 minutes. You've got until 3:30 to get yourself down here.
Hi, is that Tyler?
That's just Tyler's mum, yes?
Hi, it's Kieran calling from Jaspers of Hinckley.
Hello, Kieran.
I just wanted to inform you that you've won the live draw.
Oh, fantastic.
There's a guaranteed prize of either £50 or £200 to spend in the store. In order to claim the prize, you need to visit us in store within the next 30 minutes.
Oh, right. Let's go shoes on. Right, okay, we're on our way.
Okay, thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye. Better get our shoes on.
Hello, Paul speaking.
Hi Paul, it's Kieran from Jaspers.
Hi, yeah, hi.
Just wanted to let you know that you've won the live draw.
Right, okay.
You're in for a guaranteed prize of either £50 or £200 to spend in store. But in order to claim, you need to be at the store within the next 30 minutes.
Right, I'm coming back down now. I was just walking home. I'll come back now.
Okay.
Right, I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, see you soon and congratulations.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
We lived down by the council.
So, we've had one of our winners of our prize draw turn up today, Mr. Tyler Brown. Say hello, Tyler. And he's going to pick one of the two envelopes that are left here. One of them has got a £200 voucher in, one of them's got a £50 voucher. We don't know which is which, so it's entirely up to you. No pressure. But we do want a big cheer of everybody that can see us, whatever he gets. So,
Go on, Tyler.
which one?
Think
Which one?
Go on.
Which one? That one? Take it then. That's for you. That one's going away.
Go on, Tyler. What is it? Hit me, Rich. Come on.
Your mum's got fingers crossed. Come on, tear it home. Oh, Christmas morning. Go on, get in.
Go on. Where is it?
It's the £200 jackpot! Yay! Well done! Absolutely awesome. That was worth running all the way here, wasn't it? It really was. Paul.
Yeah.
Would you like to pick an envelope?
Yeah, that one.
So let's wonder what he's won. Wonder what he's won. It's a week's supply of toilet roll.
Could be needed.
That's a £50 voucher. There you go. You've just about spent that on coffee in here today, haven't you?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Thanks ever so much.
Cheers.
All the best. Thank you.